Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So we're out on Roadside Stealth number 7. We're trialing the Osmo action again here. See how it does. That's the camera we are currently using at the minute. We have the lanshan 1 with us because I've only ever used it one other time. I want to try and get some more use out of it. Plus it's extremely lightweight, compact. Aha! I think this is the spot. We found it. This is going to be our spot here. So before we start to set the lanshan, I thought we'd have a little beverage while they're sort of half cold. Can't get enough of these strong dark fruits. So I made the mistake of not bringing the big tripod. So I'm using the flexible tripod here in a wrapped all shapes. It's going to be a pain in the arse. I'm trying to cut down the amount of gear bring. Although I want a decent seat for this one, so I bring my proper chair. So as I say, we're on Roadside Stealth number 7. It's a good day for a change. It's not lashing down the way it always did. The way it always is over here. I just noticed something. What is that up there? Some sort of building. That could be an issue because I am directly across from that. I decided to say frigate and just staying in the spot. I did go down and I started to clear spot on down there, but it just wasn't right, wasn't level, and I want a decent sleep. So as you can see, we are rocking the lanshan 1. This is only the second outing in this little wagon here, and it was a pain in the arse to go up, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm just not used to it. Even though there's a technique, a way to have your lines set and that, and I just haven't got it mastered yet. But anyway, nice and snug in there. We're reasonably flat. We're rocking the same old setup. What we've got for refreshments and dinner, as you can see, a couple of dark fruits. Already had one. We've got a Carlsberg. What's that stuff all over it? A grouse of us tonight. Snack wise, nuts, Belvita thing, pepperoni, this caramel square thing's been knocking out my bag as ages, so I'll have to get it out before it's completely destroyed. Some Haribos, and then I went to go outdoors the other day. I got myself two, well, actually got one of these adventure foods and one of the, is it a firebox you call it, the yellow one. I also treated myself to a new backpack. Yeah, a couple of little cigars for later as well. Yeah, treated myself a new backpack. This cheapy, £25 backpack, nice and black, does the job. And a new little cook set, smaller. Time for one of these after that stress of putting that tent up. That warms you up. Okay, I thought I'd take you for a bit of an explore with the head cam on here before it gets too dark, and then as we all know, these action cameras are next to useless whenever the light conditions drop. Obviously there's the road just down over the bank there, but in this like little wood goes way right down till we come down another road the far side. As you can see, we see the car go past there. It sort of goes like a V and it gets bigger as it goes up over there. Get a bit of a, just to get our bearings, and we'll go back and consume more alcohol and junk food. What do you think, guys? Would you come and do stuff like this on your own? Comment below. Comment below if you do want to go out wild camping, but you have sort of fears, and tell me your fears and maybe we can help you get over it. I did scope this out before. The junk lying about. Up here there's a lot of junk too. But that was like somebody crying there. You hear that creaking? That would freak you out tonight. But luckily we have been trained to fight the boogeyman, so we're all good. Okay, let's get this little nanny cam type thing set up. There's not much to it. Simply just add power. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow it off. The camera, that is. This should be right. I put that tape on this. Bang. Now if I just do something like that. Band ties would have been the job, but I don't have none. Let's see how that does. Okay, so there we go. She's connected. So we're inside tonight. We'll be able to look around and see who's scoping about outside our tent. What time's that saying there? That's saying 16:28, 17:28, so it's an hour. It's an hour slow, but I can't bother trying to fix that right now. Right, I'm starting to get a bit peggy, so we're going to try out this adventure food chicken curry. So I'm sure you've seen these more times than often videos, guys, showing you, but it looks pretty grim. Look at the little, well, I'm assuming it's bits of chicken, or is it little cubes of probably fake chicken? Not sure what that is now. Yeah. I'm doing this right to scald myself. Okay. We'll seal that up and we'll leave it for 8 minutes.
A few moments later.
Oh, she's hot. Focus, focus, focus. I didn't know what to expect. That was a different consistency than I thought I was going to get there. It's alright. The chicken's a bit, chewing a bit of rubber, but here's the other one. That's handy. It's convenient. Just add water, no mess. Got things stuff to bring, pans and stuff and all. Not saying I'm going to stop doing that completely, but sometimes you just want grab and goes. Like I said, it's going to rain tonight. It already are, so I can't leave this without protection from the elements because this isn't waterproof. So I've covered the battery pack up and I put this on this plastic bag. It's all I've got. I want to get like some sort of like beacon, you know, like a beacon cover, like a clear beacon cover, or like some sort of like a plastic container, like a jar, like a sweet jar, or even a glass jar. I'll make something up for it anyway, but that's all I've got. So I'm going to switch you over here so you can see what it looks like through the plastic bag. It might not work because at night time whenever the infrared comes on, it seems to like shine off. I might shine off the plastic and it might not see through the bag, but we'll try it out later. But let's switch over to the camera now and see what it looks like. So as you can see, it's very blurry. Yeah, you know, like it would do. It would do, you know, for like for now. It's dark outside now, so let's get a look at the night vision and see how good it is. Look at that. Not good? I'm pleased with it. Now if I could just get some sort of thing to over it to keep it waterproof. Like I say, I'll fashion some sort of jar or something. Some Harold bow. And some cartnarks. Do you ever watch cartnarks?
Is it your truck or his truck? Get away from my truck. Are you gonna tell the cops that you're...
This guy sort of just goes around like all the shopping centres and things like that there, and people don't put their carts back in the little bays, even lying, you know, just play their car. Tortures them. Tortures them. It's funny. Look it up. Cartnarks. Right, it's 20 past 10. Getting tired. So I'm going to watch a few more King of Queens here and try and get a bit of sleep. And I will see you bright and early in the morning unless something else happens. The alarm has just went off. It's cold. You get up here and get this camp pulled down and get back to the van. Hopefully it has been broke into. There we go, packed up, good to go. The question is, do we just head straight down here and walk along the road back to the car, or do we go back down that way? I think we'll go down this way actually. So we'll give away our spot. Hopefully the car hasn't been broke into, because that wouldn't be good. 5:30 in the morning, having to deal with that, plus go straight to work. So I noticed this yesterday just as I was walking down to head towards the camp. Broken glass. Like that looks like that definitely is a car window. That goes into the small cubes, safety glass type thing. Remind you like somebody's smashed the side window of a car for a break-in. Driver's side seems okay. So does the passengers. Okay folks, once again thanks for watching. I'm going to get myself sorted out here and get the uniform on and get the supplies I need to go to work. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next one.